Jandy about replacing the handles on some really old valves, and they sent me to you. I can take off the old ones. It looks like the stud shape on the valve has numbers 595456 or 695557. It's about 3/4 of an inch long. Please let me know what part number you think I need. Thanks for any help you can give me. My question is if Jandy thought they were local, but here is a picture of the red handle Jandy ball valves that we're looking at, which I do know they make a retrofit tool that can be used, but what would your advice be?
They do. I mean, this is a tough one. We used to use hundreds and hundreds of these valves, and we always had the issue of the valve handle not lasting. It's kind of a weird way of doing this, but what I would kind of recommend, just to sort of make this easy and not have to worry about parts, is, do you know what a pair of vice grips are that have the lockdown? If you get a pair of vice grips and you clamp down on it, use the vice grip to open and close the valve. So if you have two valves, I would buy 2 sets of vice grips, tighten them, clamp them down, lock them tight, and then just use those. Because every time we've tried to use replacement valves and valve handles, they've never worked properly. So my workaround is kind of this weird hokey pokey way, but it works very effectively, is just use a pair of vice grips in replacement for every handle you have.